Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have some HDX pine cleaner. The SKU is 271131. Made in USA. There's the directions. I don't see ingredients other than it does not contain phosphates. Well, let's go ahead and go over to the cloud cam and mix some up and see what happens. Over at the cloud cam, as usual, 1/8 cup per gallon, 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, however you want to say it. Be a little generous with it. See what happens. It's kind of got a sweet traditional pine scent. Not seeing any clouds, not a deal breaker. The real test will be to see how well it cleans the floor. So let's go back over to the floor cam and see how it does. And here we go. As usual, I will do 2 rounds of mopping and rinse the mop in this water right here between sessions. So let's go for round 1. And I got round 1 in just before the buzzer went off, so that's awesome. Don't know if the camera picked that up. So we're going to rinse out the mop here in this solution. And we're ready for round 2. Now, not a super strong pine scent, but the hall does smell clean and pine fresh. So let's get started with round 2. Round 2 is completed. And the mop is rinsed out in the pine solution. We'll get a little bit of spots there where I splashed. So let's take a look at this water. And it is darker than it was when I started, so it did pick up some light dirt. So not a bad product. I don't know if it's available anywhere yet, but if it was, I'd definitely buy it. So once again, cleaning the floor with HDX Pine Cleaner, multi-purpose dilutable cleaner. Cleans, deodorizes, and cuts grease. Thank you for watching.